G'day, future volunteers. The Australian Air Force Cadets mission is to inspire and develop young people in an air and space environment to achieve and maximise their potential to contribute to Australia's future success. The cadets learn valuable life and professional skills, build their confidence, improve the way they communicate and become more capable and resilient. Our vision is to become the best youth development program in Australia, but we cannot do it without our volunteers. We need your help to influence the youth of today, to shape and prepare them for their future. It's challenging, but it's extremely rewarding. You do not need a previous military career. We are looking for people with diverse backgrounds, broad experience, skills to teach and impart, and the time to give. We have a future focus on science, technology, engineering and mathematics initiatives within our training program, including unmanned aerial vehicles, cybersecurity, virtual reality simulation, robotics, rocketry, space and flight simulation. So join us to inspire the youth of today to become the leaders of tomorrow. You'll be facilitating experiences and lessons they will keep for life, while you gain the tremendous satisfaction of knowing you have contributed to the shaping of our future leaders. Help them bring out their best. For more information and eligibility requirements, go to airforcecadets.gov.au.